Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the Cali raised Raptor style taillights with black housings and smoked lenses fitting your 16 and newer Toyota Tacoma. These are perfect for the Tacoma owner who wants a budget-friendly LED taillight and wants a style upgrade as well with the dark smoked lenses, all paired with a plug-and-play install. These taillights provide better visibility thanks to their LED technology, and being an LED will outlast the life of your factory halogen bulbs. They are constructed from durable smoked lenses with black ABS plastic housings and are weather sealed to keep out dust and moisture. They feature red LED running light bars as well as red LED brake lights, amber LED turn signals, and they reuse your factory bulb for the reverse lights. So as far as price goes, these taillights come in at around $300 for the pair, putting them low to middle of the road when compared to other options. And for your money, you are getting an LED taillight with dark smoked style and a very simple install. And speaking of that install, I'm giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. They do feature direct bolt up and plug and play install that can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's check out the install. For this install, we used an impact gun, but a regular hand ratchet will work just fine. You'll also need a 10mm socket. Now the first step in your uninstall is to remove 2 10mm bolts, one at the top and one at the bottom. Grab that 10mm socket and go ahead and get it removed. Repeat that for the bolt all the way at the bottom. Might be a little confusing because there are 2 next to each other, but it is the very bottom one. With both bolts removed, go ahead and grab the taillight and pull straight back towards you. This will release both of the clips, top and bottom, and now you can unplug each of the connectors. Press down on the tab and pull back to release. And once all of these are removed, go ahead and remove the taillight. Now what we need to do before we install our new taillight is remove each of these bulb and sockets, and we'll transfer them over to the new taillight. This bottom one will actually take the bulb as well, so go ahead and just twist the whole assembly out and install it into your new taillight, careful not to touch the bulb. You'll twist counterclockwise to remove and clockwise to reinstall. Moving on to the next one, again, twist counterclockwise. We're actually gonna grab the bulb, remove it, and put it to the side. We will not be reusing it. Now what we're gonna do is grab this connector and line it up into the socket. Fish the wiring into the taillight. Line up the tabs and twist clockwise to lock it in place. Repeat that same process for this last one. And finally, the last thing we'll have to do is remove these 2 metal tabs with the threads in there and transfer them over to your new taillight. What we're gonna do is go underneath with a flathead. And go ahead and pry it off. Same thing for this other one. Underneath with a flathead. And now we can line it up and just click it into place over the opening on our new taillight. And just make sure the threads line up with each of the holes. Now we can get it installed. And now you can reinstall each of these connectors onto your new taillight. Go ahead and line each of them up and make sure that they click in place. Now you can line up your taillight. There are 2 metal posts at the back. Line those up to their locations and press it in place. Now you can reinstall these factory bolts. Go ahead and get it lined up and threaded in. Then with your 10mm socket, go ahead and tighten it down. Repeat that for the bottom bolts. Then grab your 10mm socket to tighten it down. All right, now that we have our factory taillight installed from our truck, we can check it out side by side with our new taillight here. Now, as you guys can see, the biggest difference is this dark smoke lens of your new taillight. It'll definitely give the back of your Tacoma a more modern, updated look. In addition, it also features LEDs, which will be brighter and last longer than the factory halogen bulbs. So, with that said, go ahead and repeat all of those steps to install your driver's side taillight. All right, so now that you've installed your driver's side taillight, that is going to do it for the review and install of these taillights. And remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.